And you can see where the dripped the ceiling where it was before we were over here. So from here to there, it moved 4 feet up because it's a very solid building. Like that was yesterday with the tornado cuts down for what, 10, 20 seconds we say, something like that. And the other building trees are falling, some of them were on top, some of them were uprooted, some are just torn off like a twig. I was talking about the ceiling over there and all that. I just learned me and my friends survived the tornado, I guess you could say. That's where the building was, and it moved 4 feet. The building we know is Jackie Gull building, that's what they call it. So it moved. So you'll know the strength of a small tornado that will hit us for a few 20-25 seconds probably. Lives just the north wind and that, but this one was combined wind. It was more like a twisting wind, you know. But legends have always been part of our legends are educational. They're stories. That's our educational system, and legends have been a great part of our life. Yeah. Someone was telling me that this thing was over the edge a little bit there. Right here. So it moved back like, put it back, but like it's, lucky it just slid, and lucky the ground is level, or we'd had a problem, but the building is still maintained. It's like it didn't twist or anything. Yeah, this is the other part of the story now. Well, since you asked me about it, yeah. We live by dreams and that. Sometimes our dreams are like, use them as crystal balls, you know. We're a hunting society, hunting gathering society. But I had a weird dream that morning. Couldn't figure it out. It was, well, in the afternoon, I don't know what time that the tornado hit. I guess that was part of the weird dream I had about it. You know, telling me it would happen or something like that.